Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Meina. My purpose today is to introduce proper surface as a strategy to alleviate the urban heat island effect. And my presentation will last about 3 minutes. Let's move on to the slide 2, the urban heat island effect. It is a climate phenomenon that urban air temperature is higher than that of the surrounding rural environment. There are many causes which could lead to this phenomenon, such as traffic and air pollution. In order to alleviate it, there are two main methods: increasing the solar reflectance and increasing the evapotranspiration. Now let's move on to the next part, slide 3. One effective strategy is proper surface, include two parts, the shade surfaces and the green surfaces. Let's move on to the slide 4, the shaded surfaces, including shade trees and shade vines. Through preventing surfaces from absorbing solar radiation, and then the temperature inside the building will decrease. One research in Toronto's downtown, building surfaces with shade trees are 11.7 centigrade cooler than the similar site receiving direct sunlight. In addition, shading west-facing surfaces and windows is the most effective than other directions. So, surfaces shading with vegetation is a strategy to decrease the temperature. Let's move on to the next part, slide 5, green surfaces. It includes the green roofs and green walls. It relies on the vegetation. As we all know, vegetations have ability to cool buildings and the environment because of the evapotranspiration. So applying green roofs and green walls in large scale is a practical strategy to decrease the temperature in the city. In addition, covering buildings with vegetations adapt to multiple climates, such as hot climate, cold climate, and humid climate. So surfaces with vegetation is a strategy to alleviate urban heat island effect. Let's move on to the slide 6, conclusion. One effective strategy to alleviate the UHI phenomenon is proper surface. It includes two parts. The first is the shaded surfaces through preventing absorbing solar radiation, including shade trees and shade vines. The second part is green surfaces, rely on vegetations. The application is green roofs and green walls. This is my reference list. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you.